My name is Yvonne Murugu, and I'm HR professional in the marketing research industry. For me, as I said, I work in a market research, so I work with researchers, and it's been very interesting to see some of the things that they do. And I just wanted to equip myself with some knowledge of HR analytics, how I can present my data better, learn a few more tricks on presentation, on how to manipulate data to give you the kind of information you want. Yes, so basically self-improvement and just to make my work easier. Most impactful, I'd say it's Power BI. So I've heard of Power BI before. However, I think I just didn't ever imagine it would apply to me or to the HR department. So it always seemed like it's the kind of thing that people in operations need, or people in client servicing needs, or people who need to make, client reports. Yes, but I have learned the tool and how powerful it is to transform data to make it a bit more presentable, understandable, and meaningful to whoever it is that I want to communicate something to. So yeah, I'd say Power BI. It's been quite a steep learning. The dedication of the Learnly team, the instructors were super great and patient, because they were introducing completely new, some are completely new concepts to adult learners, which can definitely not be easy. So the patience and taking the feedback from us and actually acting on it. Yeah, I had great classmates who were very inquisitive, so all our classes were really engaging. So it was quite an enjoyable experience for me. Most definitely, because I'm looking at the next level. So I think some of the things that I've learned will be very useful for me, especially when you're, discussing or trying to make decisions or advising management. So how you present the information is very important, because then it can be easily understood. It makes sense a lot easier. Even my style of working will definitely change. So instead of struggling for days or hours with Excel reports and trying to build information out of Excel reports, I've learned new ways of manipulating data and just getting exactly what I need. Certainly, 100%. I don't think it's just for HR professionals. I think even heads of departments need this kind of knowledge, because the concepts you're learning I think they're applicable across. So as long as you have the subject knowledge and you know what you want to achieve, then this just gives you the tools that you need. It kind of empowers you to, get the best results out of everything or whatever it is that you need, the project you are working on, or the analytics that you seek to make decisions.